Hello, welcome to Toby's Freedom. This is the 6th April and it's a day of misery. Today we're gonna close the freetown of Christiania on Oliver and Pusher Street, where they sell the weed and hash and marijuana. It's been in Denmark since the 50 years, 1971. The area is owned by the Ministry of Defense. Just want to collect some pictures, some video footage. I don't know how much juice on my phone I have. I don't know if I'm allowed to get inside because the police are there. So it's a day of history. They are more or less taking us down. They want us to eat medicine from Big Pharma. Oh, Big Pharma in Latin means open sorcery. They want us to take that shit. It's funny how patients with sclerosis, I think it's called that, they're allowed to, they have ordinary prescriptions from their doctors, but people are not allowed to buy weed or marijuana legally in Denmark. That's so fucking strange. The government in Denmark is insane. They want people to take their meds, and the funny thing, you can make everything without cannabis. You can make shoes, clothes, beer. And funny thing is, I read an article from 2008 saying the police uses like 200 man hours and it costs like 124 million Danish kroner. That's $3 million for to keep us safety from the government. The government loves us. He loves us. Really? They really love us. They're trying to keep us from these Hells Angels and banditos. The police knows best. The politician knows best. The politicians are fucked up, man. I hope we have lots of juice. This is history. A day of history. Removing Pusher Street forever. We're not gonna legalize weed like Germany. Congratulations to Germany. You're allowed to have 25 ounces on you. Denmark won't. They won't legalize it. Never. I think Denmark will be one of the last countries in the world to legalize the weed. Ever. It's a day of history. This is Christiania. Freetown of Christiania. It's not Freetown. It's not an anarchist place. It's owned by the Ministry of Defense. They have the area. Lots of people live outside Freetown, Christiania. There's been some so-called shootings. They're using these shootings for not legalize, for give us more rules or restrictions and not legalizing it. Do we even know if these shootings are real or not? There's no evidence or proof on that. Shh! Be quiet. People are sleeping. The pictures I saw, there was no paramedics, there was no blood, there was no bodies. There's no weapons. There's no eyewitnesses. Supposedly staged, I say. Crisis actors. And these rockers got away on their electrical bikes. And the police couldn't get them. Yeah, right. Right, man. Right. They have police cars and they have motorbikes and they can't. There the police is. Arriving at the scene. Let's see if we can take some footage. I've been buying weed here like a decade. Bare går, mand.
Basically, if there's like
Oh, oh.
this is the last picture. Yeah. To be honest, I've been trying to get them. Yeah, I was actually surprised you guys haven't met yet. And then
Now we're at the entrance. There's gonna be some demonstrations and some live music. I don't know which kind of music. Last time I smoked weed, also at an Outlandish concert last summer at Nemoland. That's the last time I smoked. Because it's not easy to get the weed. They're making it more impossible to get the weed. The politicians are fucking stupid, man. All the politicians are marionette puppets. They sold their soul to the system. They sold their soul to the devil. I don't believe in the devil. I don't believe in Jesus. The devil is a cartoon, man. Jesus is a cartoon. It's a belief system. So they're closing Christiania down. Many people today. I don't know how many. This is another gate opening. The funny thing is, Christiania has had a lot of international famous guests, like Katy Perry, the singer, I Kissed a Girl, and Neil Patrick Harris from How I Met Your Mother, Kirsten Dunst, Bring It On, Spider-Man, Mona Lisa Smiling, Ice Cube, the rapper, Smoke Some Weed, one of his major big songs. Snoop Dogg has been here. Gin and Juice, man. Many celebrities have been here promoting Christiania on the social media. Let's see here. So that's stupid. It's one of the biggest tourist attractions in Denmark. I think it's in the second place. I think the Little Mermaid is in first and Tulip Gardens is on the third. I don't know. It's the first time I don't have a jacket on. It's very hot. I have two t-shirts on and a hoodie. That's it. And here is the famous street. The famous Pusher Street. Now they're closing it down.
Det har jeg også sagt.
Look. Pusher Street is closed today. We are here with your local officer. Look by and have a talk with us. Let's just walk in the street. My shoelaces went up. Oh my god. It's a day of history. buy cookies with weed in them here. I mean, it's very hippish. Left place, lefties, weed, hippie. I'm running out of juice, man. I'm running out of it. Now we're approaching the ending of the video because I'm running out of juice. I try to get so much energy on the phone and power, but it was on the Discord actually. Here I went last summer. Let's have that. They're shutting it down, man. They don't want us to smoke weed. It's a fucking plant. Ah, you get a hesticosis. Ah, you get a hesticosis. They're putting fear in our head, the media. That's Nemo Land. I think we're gonna end the video because I don't have so much energy power on the phone. But you got the idea. They're shoving Pusher Street down. The police, the politicians, all the politicians are puppets. They don't have any power or influence. They're actors, all of them. Some of them is running by the facade, telling them to close this down. I don't know. I don't think Christiania is interested to legalize weed. They won't make any money on it anyway. So that's the other theory I have. So get some footage here from a day of history. You can't see any demonstrations. You can see lots of happy people. So, this is the place about weed and marijuana. I used to. There's lots of. Yeah, they're all gone. They're gone. All the bushes are gone. Look at that. This was a street. Now it's sand. I think the people in Christiania were getting tired of all the violence and the riots, and they said stop, and they coordinated with police and the politicians. That's it. Maybe there's no theory on it. So we're coming end of the road. There's still a road here. They're not gonna shut the whole thing down, but they're gonna shut Pusher Street down for good. For good. They hate us. They hate us. The elites hate us. Bye.